Drosera or sundews are one of the largest groups of carnivorous perennials that grows in bogs, marshes and fens. There are tropical sundews that grow in USDA zones 9 and up. The cold temperate varieties are hardy in USDA zones 1 to 7. Sundews form a basal rosette of leaves and each leaf is covered with hair-like stalks. These stalks or tentacles are tipped with glands that secrete a sticky, dew-like substance. Depending on the species, sundew leaves may be nearly circular or long and thread-like. Insects are attracted to the glistening substance which then gets trapped in the sticky surface of the leaves. The leaf slowly curls up and produces digestive enzymes that dissolve the trapped insect. Once the insect is fully digested, the leaf unfurls to rest the trap. This entire process can take 4 to 6 days. The reason for their carnivorous nature is to supplement their growth in poor soil conditions with nitrogen and other nutrients extracted from their prey. These plants also bear small, white or pink flowers. These flowers will self-pollinate and produce seeds. Sundews can be propagated by seeds or leaf cuttings. The seeds of common sundews can germinate within a few weeks, while the cold temperate varieties can take up to 3 years to germinate. When propagating leaf cuttings, dip the tip in rooting hormone before planting it in a sphagnum moss, vermiculite and sand potting mix. For beginners it's best to go with Drosera capensis or Cape sundew. This species is native to the Cape of South Africa and features long narrow leaves with red-tipped glands. It is commonly sold as a novelty plant. Use a potting medium that is a mix of vermiculite and perlite, sand and sphagnum moss. Place the pot in a location that gets several hours of direct sun each day. Choose either a ceramic or plastic pot to plant sundews. Avoid using clay or terracotta pots as this will wick away the moisture. Water regularly to keep the soil moist. Do not allow the potting medium to dry out as it will kill the plant. And to increase the humidity, place the pot on a shallow tray filled with pebbles and water. They can be grown in a terrarium which helps maintain a highly humid environment for the plant. Use only collected rainwater or distilled water. Tap water usually has high level of minerals that can be detrimental to sundews. Sundews do not require fertilizers. They will get enough nutrients from the insects they trapped. If the indoor plants aren't catching enough bugs, they can be fed twice a week with bloodworms. Freeze-dried bloodworms purchased from a pet store will need to be rehydrated with a few drops of water. Avoid feeding the plant too much food at once as this will lead to rot or mold forming on the leaves. Another type of sundew is the Drosera rotundifolia or roundleaf sundew. This species requires more maintenance as it needs winter dormancy periods and light cues. There are over 100 unique species of sundews and they are found in many different places around the world. It makes a wonderful addition to your houseplant collection. Thank you for watching.